Action cameras for family adventures. Title: Action cameras for family adventures. Capturing memorable moments in high definition. Introduction. Families love to embark on thrilling adventures and create lasting memories together. And what better way to relive those cherished moments than by capturing them on an action camera? Action cameras have revolutionized the way families document their experiences, providing high-quality footage and stunning images that truly encapsulate the excitement and joy of their adventures. In this article, we will explore the benefits of action cameras for family adventures and discuss some of the top models available in the market. 1. Why choose action cameras for family adventures? Action cameras offer several advantages over traditional cameras or smartphones when it comes to documenting family adventures. Here are a few reasons to consider investing in an action camera. A. Durability and waterproofing. Action cameras are designed to withstand the toughest conditions, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. Most models are shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof, allowing families to capture memorable moments without worrying about damage to the camera. B. Wide field of view. The wide-angle lenses of action cameras capture a broader field of view, ensuring that no significant moments are missed. Whether it's a panoramic view from the mountaintop or a close-up shot of a family member conquering a wave, action cameras can capture it all. C. Compact and lightweight design. Action cameras are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry during family adventures. They can be mounted on helmets, bikes, or even attached to a selfie stick, allowing for flexible shooting angles without adding unnecessary bulk to your gear. D. High-quality footage and images. Modern action cameras offer impressive video resolutions and image quality. Many models can record in 4K resolution, enabling families to capture their adventures in stunning detail. The cameras also excel in low-light conditions, ensuring crystal-clear footage, even during sunrise or sunset. Here are some of the top action cameras available in the market. A. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a versatile action camera that excels in capturing high-quality footage. It offers stunning 5K resolution, a front-facing display for vlogging, improved stabilization, and excellent low-light performance. With its durable build and long battery life, the Hero 9 Black is a fantastic option for family adventures. B. DJI Osmo Action. The DJI Osmo Action is known for its dual screens, making it easier to frame shots, especially when the camera is facing away. It offers 4K resolution, effective stabilization, and voice control features. The Osmo Action is also waterproof up to 36 feet, ensuring that water-based adventures are thoroughly documented. C. Sony RX02. The Sony RX02 is a compact action camera that delivers exceptional image quality. It features a 1-inch sensor, enabling crisp photos and videos even in low-light conditions. With its rugged design and diverse shooting modes, the RX02 is an excellent choice for families looking to capture adventures in a variety of ways. The INSTA361R. The INSTA361R combines the flexibility of a modular design with exceptional video quality. This action camera allows families to switch between a 360-degree camera, wide-angle lens, and a standard action camera, providing a versatile shooting experience. With its excellent stabilization and easy editing capabilities, the INSTA361R is perfect for capturing immersive family adventures. 3. Tips to maximize action camera usage. To make the most of your action camera during family adventures, consider the following tips. A. Plan your shots. Before embarking on your adventure, think about the type of shots you'd like to capture. Plan for different angles, perspectives, and framing to ensure a varied and engaging collection of footage. B. Use accessories. Experiment with different mounts and accessories to expand the possibilities of your action camera. Chest harnesses, bike mounts, and handheld gimbals can provide unique perspectives and add dynamic movement to your videos. C. Frame the shot. Remember to frame your shots mindfully, keeping the rule of thirds and composition principles in mind. This will help you create visually appealing and aesthetically pleasing footage. D. Capture the emotions. While action shots are exciting and captivating, don't forget to capture the emotions and reactions of your family members. Candid moments of laughter, excitement, or even a child's proud accomplishment can make your footage more meaningful and memorable. Reliving family adventures through action cameras. 4. Editing and sharing your footage. Once you have captured your family adventures on your action camera, the next step is to edit and share your footage. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your recordings. A. Choose the right editing software. There are many video editing software options available, ranging from beginner-friendly applications to professional-grade programs. Choose one that suits your level of expertise and offers the features you need to bring your footage to life. B. Trim and arrange clips. Go through your footage and select the best moments to include in your final video. Trim unnecessary footage, arrange the clips in a cohesive manner, and ensure that the pacing of your video keeps your audience engaged. C. Enhance with effects and transitions. Add effects and transitions to enhance your video and make it more visually appealing. Experiment with different filters, color grading, and transition styles to create a unique and polished look for your footage. B. Choose the right music. Music can greatly enhance the mood and atmosphere of your video. Select appropriate background music that complements the energy and emotions captured in your footage. Make sure to use royalty-free or properly licensed music to avoid copyright issues. B. Share your video. Once your video is edited and ready, share it with your family and friends. Upload it to video sharing platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or share it directly through social media platforms. You can also consider creating a private online gallery or DVD to share with your loved ones. 5. Exploring new features and accessories. Action camera technology is constantly evolving, and new models often come with exciting features and accessories. Here are a few innovative options to consider for your next family adventure. B. Voice control and hands-free operation. Voice control features can make operating your action camera even more convenient, especially in situations where your hands are occupied. Simply give a voice command, and the camera will start recording or take a photo. C. GPS and data overlays. Action cameras with built-in GPS can track your location and speed, allowing you to overlay this data onto your footage. This adds an additional layer of information and context to your videos. B. Time-lapse and slow-motion modes. Experiment with time-lapse and slow-motion modes to add creativity and a unique perspective to your videos. Capture stunning sunsets, the hustle and bustle of city streets, or your family's adventurous activities in a mesmerizing and captivating manner. 6. Understanding camera settings and modes. To fully utilize your action camera's capabilities, it's important to familiarize yourself with the various settings and shooting modes. Here are some key features to explore. A. Resolution and frame rate. Action cameras offer different resolution options, ranging from HD to 4K. Higher resolutions provide more detailed footage, but also require more storage space. Additionally, adjusting the frame rate allows you to capture slow-motion footage or smooth action sequences. B. Time-lapse and burst mode. Time-lapse mode is perfect for capturing long periods of time in a condensed video. It's great for showcasing sunsets, cloud movements, or the changing scenery during hikes. Burst mode, on the other hand, enables you to capture multiple images in quick succession, ideal for capturing fast-paced action or dynamic movements. C. Pro Tune and manual settings. If you're looking to have more control over the exposure and color grading of your footage, explore the Pro Tune or manual settings on your camera. These options allow you to adjust parameters like white balance, ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation. This feature makes it easier to share your adventures on social media or quickly edit them on the go. 7. Accessories for enhanced shooting experience. Apart from the camera itself, there are several accessories available that can enhance your shooting experience and open up new possibilities. Consider these accessories for your family's action camera setup. A. Mounts and stabilization. Various mounts like head straps, chest mounts, or adhesive mounts can provide stable and unique perspectives during your adventures. For smoother footage, consider using handheld gimbals or wearable stabilizers to reduce camera shake. These accessories can greatly enhance the visibility and overall look of your videos. C. Filters and lens attachments. Filters can help you achieve better color balance, reduce glare, or create a specific mood in your footage. Additionally, wide-angle or telephoto lens attachments can provide different perspectives and increase the versatility of your action camera. B. Spare batteries and memory cards. To ensure you never miss a moment, carry spare batteries and memory cards. Action cameras can consume power quickly, especially when recording at